Greetings, food lovers! Today, we're delving into the tantalizing world of Chinese cuisine, specifically exploring a dish that's as flavorful as it is fascinating: 3-cup chicken. Join me as we uncover the hidden stories and unknown facts behind this beloved Chinese delicacy. 3-cup chicken, or san beiji in Mandarin, is a classic Taiwanese dish that has roots tracing back to traditional Chinese cooking techniques. Let's uncover some lesser-known facts that make 3-cup chicken a culinary treasure. While 3-cup chicken is often associated with Taiwanese cuisine, its origins can be traced back to China's Jiangxi province. Legend has it that during the Ming dynasty, a renowned military strategist named Wen Tianxiang devised the dish as a tribute to his fallen comrades. Its name, 3-cup chicken, is said to refer to the equal portions of soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine used in its preparation. At the heart of 3-cup chicken are 3 key ingredients: soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine, which give the dish its signature aroma and depth of flavor. These ingredients are combined in perfect harmony, creating a rich and savory sauce that coats the tender chicken pieces. One of the defining characteristics of 3-cup chicken is its traditional cooking method. The dish is typically cooked in an earthenware pot or clay pot over low heat, allowing the flavors to meld together slowly. This slow cooking process results in tender, succulent chicken infused with the essence of the sauce. While traditionally made with chicken, 3-cup chicken is a versatile dish that can be adapted to suit various preferences and dietary restrictions. Some variations use alternative proteins such as tofu or seafood, while others incorporate additional ingredients like ginger, garlic, and chili peppers to enhance the flavor profile. In addition to its culinary appeal, 3-cup chicken holds symbolic significance in Chinese culture. The dish is often served during festive occasions and family gatherings, symbolizing unity, prosperity, and good fortune. Its aromatic aroma and comforting flavors evoke a sense of warmth and hospitality, making it a cherished favorite among families and friends. Beyond its delicious taste, 3-cup chicken also offers several health benefits. The combination of lean protein from the chicken, along with the antioxidants and nutrients found in the soy sauce and sesame oil, make it a nutritious option. Additionally, the dish is often served with vegetables, further enhancing its nutritional value. In recent years, 3-cup chicken has gained popularity beyond China and Taiwan, captivating the taste buds of food enthusiasts worldwide. Its unique combination of flavors, coupled with its cultural significance, has earned it a place on menus in Chinese restaurants around the globe. Interestingly, 3-cup chicken has not only spread across the globe but has also undergone cultural adaptations in various regions. In Malaysia, for example, it is known as san beiji, while in Singapore, it is referred to as 3-cups chicken. These variations reflect the dish's ability to transcend borders while still maintaining its core flavors and essence. In traditional Chinese culture, the number 3 holds spiritual significance, representing harmony, balance, and completeness. This symbolism is thought to extend to 3-cup chicken, with its use of 3 key ingredients and its association with auspicious occasions. It's believed that consuming 3-cup chicken brings not only physical nourishment but also spiritual harmony. Legend has it that 3-cup chicken has roots in ancient Chinese folklore, specifically the story of a legendary warrior named Zhuge Liang. According to the tale, Zhuge Liang invented the dish during a time of war, using only 3 cups of soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice wine to create a hearty meal for his soldiers. The dish not only sustained their bodies but also boosted their morale, leading them to victory. Medicinal properties. Beyond its culinary appeal, 3-cup chicken is believed to have medicinal properties in traditional Chinese medicine. The combination of ingredients such as ginger, garlic, and rice wine is thought to aid digestion, boost immunity, and promote overall well-being. In Chinese households, 3-cup chicken is often considered a nourishing dish that not only satisfies the palate but also supports health. In some regions of China, the preparation and serving of 3-cup chicken are accompanied by specific culinary rituals and customs. For instance, it is customary to use a clay pot for cooking, as it is believed to enhance the flavors and impart a unique earthy aroma to the dish. Additionally, the dish is often served with a flourish, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. There you have it, folks. The fascinating world of three-cup chicken, a dish steeped in history, tradition, and flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an adventurous foodie, exploring the depths of Chinese cuisine through dishes like three-cup chicken is sure to be a rewarding experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!